What's good? What's good? What's good, peoples? Another day, another dollar. Bang, bang, bang. All right. So, as always, let's start the day with 3D vision, and let's end the day with 3D vision. Let's get into this trade plan. Okay, so yesterday we had a lot of volatility, but not a very large range. We had a pretty decent range, but it wasn't like anything crazy. So there were some opportunities. Excuse me. And we are still within what's this? Fridays, right? We're still in Friday's range, but we're still in Thursday's range as well. I think Thursday was a full. Yeah, it was. So and now of course we're still in the ninth range, which was no, this is Friday's range. This was don't give me the number. No, that's overnight range. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm bugging up. All right, anyway. So we have here, we are opening right now with a small gap, which is a good indication for possible trend in PA. But we do have speakers today at 12. I mean, it's not high impact, but we did have PPI. So hopefully PPI kind of does hopefully PPI does what CPI did yesterday and kind of start the market off hot and then maybe cool off when we start getting closer towards lunch for the speakers. Well, no, actually, the speakers come on at 10, so we'll see how that goes. But right now, excuse me, this is the indication of bullish trending PA at the moment. That is what this is an indication of. Open with a gap. The gap actually isn't that big. It's only about 30 points. And from what I've seen previously, when that usually the gap usually gets filled in, so we could very well come back to. So we'll start with the down targets just because of that. So, because the first target would of course be yesterday's high, and then I think we could fill in these single prints, and if we start getting back in, even though I don't use the overnight value areas, still if we start trading back in that value area, then I'll be looking for the overnight PLC, which also is overlapping the yesterday's naked PLC. So that is, to me, an important level and kind of the line in the sand. Like I don't want to see an aggressive move through it. If we do trade under, I want to see it get here and kind of start stalling and consolidating and to go up. If not, and we start really getting down there and just staying down there and just start getting rejected, then I'll be looking, of course, very low, and then yesterday's low, and the low from the, and then overnight low. Overnight low is the real line in the sand, but the first indication would be here. I don't want to. I want to see this like act more support than just unless we flush through and immediately get bought back up. That's the only way. But if we start just doing business below naked POC and overnight POC, then very low has a higher probability of getting hit. And then overnight low, and then overnight low from yesterday, I'll be looking at. To the upside, we have a naked PLC right here, so chances of that getting hit are very high in 5 minutes, especially as long as we keep playing around here. Then, of course, the overnight high. I say overnight high is the line in the sand, but I want to see it strong and like really train above it, and then continue to fill in these single prints all the way up until here. But the next target would be what's it at? The ninth value rate high right here. Then of course the end of the single prints at 340. And if we get above all that, then I'll be looking for overnight POC, and then of course the nice high, and then we'll get back into those single prints. But right now, this, like I said, this is a bullish indications. You kind of want to see a gap and go. You don't really want to see it come here, but we could have a, I think it's open and test drive where we come back, test, and then go. So we'll see. But this is bullish structure on the market profile. This is definitely bullish structure, but we could close this gap in and possibly these single prints and then go. So I could see that scenario too, or honestly, come close the single prints, come back down, evaluate high, find support, and go. So let's go to the charts and go to the charts. If we go to the charts actually back this. Yeah, we could come back. Yeah, charts actually do back this. Could come back in here. So that does right now look like a, does look like a thing. 10K. Yeah. Definitely an important range to get above. Even back to overnight PLC. Naked PLC. Got a little toppy here. So yeah. I'll draw this out. Just because it is. There's the man here. Out, but we come back and we very well could test. Yeah, because technically this is. Is supply. Hey, so we got about a minute till the market opens. And got a minute till the market opens. So we shall wait and see what we get. Oh wait, I need to. We tap? I think we did. God damn it. Goddamn. Yeah. Oh, no, wait. We didn't yet. Just tapped it. I guess that counts. Because it's probably going to come back there anyway. What is that? Okay, so now we are starting to come down. Filling these single prints. Yeah, these oscillators. All right, I'm gonna take that. Interesting, interesting, interesting. See if we reject from here. Technically. Yeah. I don't like when it's like, this is technically a flip, but this is pullback, so I stay out of this. This did close like this, so we could come back, test 44, go. This looks like we want upside, but this is the test, though. You want to see up in the here. We are gonna. That is the awesome. Yeah, I gotta get a new mouse, man. Really don't want to, cause I feel like I could clean this. I just gotta figure out. I don't know why it's so sticky all of a sudden. Now I didn't spill anything over here. Let some of these little maggots in my house there. Hey, this could have been a tester. continue higher now. Honestly speaking, that's what 4K looks like. It kind of came back. Tested here, but see, this opening range high still needs to get broken. Like the volume though. Jesus. Okay. That failure. Now we come down. You know. Get below. This could just be a test in here. Arm is vicious right now. Let's see. So aggressive. That very well could do that, reject, and then go. It's the setup though. Today's the setup. Oh wait. We very well could do that, and then even though I do like us to the downside, especially we get below. Rejection there. Then we just keep getting bought out there at 240 right now. Let's defending that 240 area. That's why I didn't. I mean, I guess I could have, if I'd have shorted like right here exactly, that would have been a good short, but I do like that rejection, but hold some of that volume. Start doing that. I'd rather just wait, sit on my hands. I mean, that was, see, we didn't, if we'd have closed, maybe if we'd have closed this below more, I'd have been more inclined, but right there. Now we probably don't even get the, I don't even get the maybe we get the retest. I doubt it. At least until after this closes. We do get it. It's aggressiveness. Another aggressive open, like aggressive and not a big range. Do like that retest, but these bottoming out like that, can't take it, man. Nah, because it's so aggressive. Anytime I see this bottom out on the 618 on my entry chart, I'm not taking it. Not, at least not now. It's not. Volume is up. Volatility is pushing right now. It just don't make sense to do until at least we get a little bit toppy here. I say this is a strong push up. This was a good short. I just didn't like structure of it. And now we're gonna take this high up. So look, we swept this and got bought up immediately. I'll be highly, highly surprised we don't take this high. This is an interesting spot. We are toppy here, but I need to see more. No close above, so this low is not valid. Okay. Not the strongest. I think I jumped the gun there. Definitely might have jumped the gun. These pullbacks. See, I didn't like the pause here. So I'd rather just throw the break even. As soon as we pause there, you know, that with that aggressive push, I wanted to see it go. But that very well could have been test from right here. So on me, I should have been in really here. Come here. I gotta. That's this PA. It makes you think quick. So really, soon as we come, enter, stop here. I'm out already. So But that's how you follow what you're seeing. Like I'm looking at what I see, and price is way too aggressive to just be stalling here if we are going to continue even down further here. So me a stall like that and with an aggressive push down like that, I don't like it. We're ranging. I don't like this. I'll be a little aggressive in my stop, but this PA is aggressive, so stalling, opening range low. Don't like start. We start stalling opening range low. Don't like it, even though I did like the long. Bottom of the range, essentially, almost. Of course. I mean, but look, it almost been stopped out. Not exactly, but I guess you gotta trust the edge there. But this is just aggressive. This type of PA, I want to see As soon as we break that high, I'm going to break even. Oh no. What just happened? Oh my God. Yeah. Bro. I'm cutting the trade, man. I'm just, I don't know what that was. That just, all right, I'm not starting at too high, man. Gotta relax. Now we're back at the top of the range. I got a little upset that it froze on me like that, and I shouldn't have closed it. It's all good though. Wait, let the Stokes reset. Let's see. Well, it couldn't close above open range. Did close above here though. So yeah. These pullbacks have been vicious. So. Oh, yo, one tick. That was one tick. Oh, that was a one tick warrior there. I was a one tick warrior there. That's my fault. I was a one tick warrior. Where'd I get in? Like right here? Oh, actually, got to get right here. Yo, All right, we got the speakers, I think, coming in 10 minutes. So, oh, we only got one speaker. Then we got bonds too at one. Yesterday, we had bonds at 10-year bonds, but today is 30-year bonds, and that's high impact. So we could very well. I gotta pull a scalpel out. I know what that means. It's kind of an indication of what today is gonna be. If we starting off like this, then the 30-year bonds is gonna be what probably catapults this type of PA. So entry again. All right, that naked PLC. If we reject there again, I don't see it, but the problem is it's gonna break that hard. Yeah, you can't long the top of the range. We're ranging as bad as I wanted to. I really It's another rejection. How many we got so far? One, two, three. I think this one. Oh, guess the speaker started. I'm assuming the speaker started. This just picked up a little quick. Excuse me. Need to change this. That's what it was. That Yeah, bang, bang. Yes. All right, now I shouldn't have what happened earlier, that debacle. Okay, so we had those kept rejecting this. I mean, it's really no like, it's real no entry. Now we back at the bottom of the range again. So do we reject here again and now push back up, or see? I wish this was up some more. That's a little bit. Patient. Good job. Back, we are kind of back at the bottom of the range, but not really. Probably should have been realistic. Of course, now it's going to confirm. Yeah, I had to widen my stops. And do we come back and test? Doubt it. We probably don't. You want it to come back to test before we break that low, but what I want, I don't think I'm gonna get. Maybe after. Filled in the overnight single prints. Now come down and test 196, or do we fill in the single prints and then yo? That is the question. We did come and test that though. Order the closure above here. We got it. Test, and then we just went. Now we're gonna come back and test here. So maybe we get one more flush down. I don't. Okay, We looks like very high from yesterday's coming in hot. Kind of missed the short. It was so aggressive, but we didn't really get confirmation until like right here. So I guess pull back. Hey, very high coming in hot. This kind of was the giveaway here. I should have widened my stop. Jesus. Oh, make it PLC. Overnight PLC. Coming in hot. Denied that one. Now we could be coming to this one. All right, let's see. Do we pull back or do we just stab one more time down? or they're at the bottom, but right now exhibiting trendy range. Oh, we did close in the gap too. Y'all, that's why I hate. I totally forgot about the gap as well. Like we opened up, we did close in the gap immediately, but that's a lot. Hmm. This continuation supply right here. Could we reject here? It kind of looks like it wants to do. Let's see. Some 4K continuation. Yo, we could probably come back down here, honestly speaking. Now we broke out of this range. It was a strong push out, but the crazy part is, very well could just be a test here. Always tough. This is a flip, technically. Like, technically it is, but kind of in a downtrend, but probably go to here. Maybe we can confirmation. The bad confirmation, possibly. Gotta be aggressive. I want to see. Now I want to see us come up in here in the middle somewhere, reject, VWAP. One more stab here. Or we could from here. Issue balances. Uh, Was a flip though. Come back, retest. Waiting for confirmation here. Getting some rejection here again. Only thing is a 4K now. It's bottoming out, or the oscillators. But we could get that one more push down. And we are consolidating. Look, 195 though. That could be a target though. We slept now. If we could close below with this sweep, close below here. That'll confirm that. This is an interesting spot because, yeah, we did break out of this range, but this is just a retest of this gigantic range we were in. So, let's see, yeah, from 10K, like, that's why it's such an interesting spot. Technically speaking. Lining up. So draw it there. Just put it somewhere like in the middle, even though it's not exactly 50%, but that's, yes, what's that, the ninth low? So only thing that's making me cautious, I'm trying to short, is this, but we could have another like stab down, and I'm probably gonna miss the top of this move just because, I mean, it could be one of these weird things where like price pushing. This is. But if we close below here, I do like it. Right now, this high is protected. It's not much stopping this from going up. Everything right now is support to the downside. So. Okay. Yes. What you got? Still. All right, we broke out, it looks like, but break out just to test and go back up. That is the question. I like this reaction. Let's see how this 4K closes. Okay, confirm. It's confirmation. Okay. Question is this is responsible for this. Mm. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. That is interesting. Could have been just another retest. Just to reset these. And, this is interesting. So I'm gonna wait. I will say though, this is like a target, but right now it can also be looked at as support. That's kind of what it's looking like. You got to see how, because we very well could sweep, but I think if we do get above here, then we could be going higher. All right, discontinuation demand is out here. I mean, I guess this was that did it. It did its job. You did get a reaction, just didn't get continuation. So yeah, look, this is a lot of support, but I feel like it's just, yo, look at this, yo, we just missed this naked POC. See you, my boy. Yeah. So we just missed this naked POC, and now we going back up to possibly take out this naked POC that we just missed. Uh, This is what? Dig it out. All right, now slow stokes ain't go anywhere, but fast stokes slowly but surely moved up enough. So is this just a retest? Let's double top and now retest to go up. We didn't confirm this yet, but possibly come back, test here. No, I mean, we broke out of this range strong to this side, so this very well could just be a retest to continue down. This is the only thing that's tough with like range of PA, but we are bottoming out. Excuse me, again on the entry 618 time tick frame, so it's have to be here. Liquidity up in here, 210. Now we volume is completely dropped off. Do like that we're holding here. I don't know about this. Are holding VWAP. Involved here? Probably not. I mean, I guess. But I mean, an archaeologist, man, that's useless. Archaeologist, that's useless. Huh? Yo, art, huh? Yeah, but all that's, it's like all that is funding and stuff. You gotta get like donors and people that's interested in that. I don't know. To me, it sounds like a hobby. Hey, back to opening range low again. Do we? This is interesting, though. Tell you what, we get back inside opening range low. I'm a firm believer we do come for. Kind of already tested down here. That's the only realistic spot would be to test like a 232 here, but that's hold it. At it. That 10,000? That's interesting. Never seen that before. Plus 10? Does that mean they added? In this instance, even though I want to cut it, I gotta let the stop do what it's gonna do. Gotta let the trade play out. Um, can't do too much here. I mean, if it take me out, it take me out. I gotta accept the loss here, but oh god, 2 minutes. We did sweep that high. I'm not being a one tick warrior. I'm not being a one tick warrior this time. I don't care if it goes to my TP. Don't care. I was a one tick warrior last time, and that's what got me in trouble. So I don't care. I don't care that it tapped on TP. Don't care. The one tick warrior last time. I'll do that. Then all right, now this continuation demand. 10K perspective. Test though, because 4K right here. I don't even know if we get the people pull back into it. What we do, but I don't know now. Because now I want to see those oscillators come down soon. Yeah, this is not streaming etiquette at all. I don't even care, man. All right. Yeah. All right, one. Man, I would like to see We confirm here, above here, come sweep this, come back in here, find support, and then go. That's what I would like to see. That'll get me interested. There's so much. I guess okay, still really won't matter too much. Very well could just respect this low, especially now this is, but overall, now they put some medium term, they got long term at 290. So, hey, 200, 300. All right, this is interesting though, because 4K is topping out. But I'm thinking maybe we get one more push up, tap, and then possibly. Right, 10K still has room. This be that like right here. Good. All right, let's see. Yeah, very well could. Damn, man. Either a lot of cards to get to or resistance. See what happens. See how this 4K candle closes. Happened.
Yeah, what just happened? I'm coming out of a hotel, holding a hand that ain't my girl's. I did it again, did it again. Yeah, in a battle between my head and my head. You know, I know. You always think you would win, but you won't. No, you won't. No, you won't. You always think you would win, but you won't. No, you won't. No, you won't. You always think you would win, but you won't. One 45, I'm leaving the club early, checking into a Motel 6 with a chick. What am I doing? I got thoughts in my head like damn, I'm fucking up again, not again. So I leave, so I leave, so I leave. Not again, so
I got a feeling, man, this ain't gonna pop off until the
see familiar faces that could
30-year
look
bonds.
like my girl, but she's with a friend, yeah. I get closer and closer, and I realize that's my baby with some dude. What is she doing with him at a Motel 6? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I can't even pretend like I'm not with her, but she's with him. Oh shit.
A little late on my entry, so that's why to break even so fast. I don't like those injections though. Things. Probably gonna take me out there. It stalled too much there. I got in late, man. Really, realistically, right here is what I should have been in. Yeah, because then they stacked that. I chased this one, but I do like that. Chased. That was a bad trade. This is a bad trade. Even if it works out, this is a bad trade because I kind of chased. And we could be rejecting here again. And it's probably going to come down. And then, damn it, see? Yeah. I'm gonna just let it do what it do, but yeah, that's on me. That's on me. That was poor execution there. As soon as I seen that reject, yeah. This is actually was my entry right here. All right, let's focus. Really, right here. Stop here. Let's see. We'll get one more chance. The only thing I don't like is a little tough. A little tough. That's aggressive. That is aggressive. Yeah. It's so slow. It's so slow, and I shouldn't have did it so aggressively, but it's just it's slow. We closed the room. It was just so slow, man. We do close back above there. It's closed above there. It's so fast. It's gonna do it fast. It's gonna do it fast though. That's the issue, and then maybe we could come back here and test. Yeah, I don't like these rejections like that. Stop me out again. Come on, push. No momentum. No momentum. Push. Push down and not up. Look, they just keep. I kind of like it when they do that though because it's getting absorbed. It seems like, but at the same time, let's see how we at too. This is getting about that time anyway. So getting about that time. Really should have been in. I mean, actually, I was here actually good. I'm just I don't want to take a loss. That's the issue. That's the issue, and I can't trade like that. I cannot trade with not wanting to take the L, especially if the setup is there. Now this is actually interesting, but look, 55. This is a little wacky here. E, this. Sad to say, I'm gonna continue to be aggressive, especially with a candle like that. Just close above. I think I'm gonna be done on that note. Finally tapped that area. I mean, it's like a point difference. Yeah, today was tough. It was tough. It definitely was tough. Today was tough, but I'm kind of happy. I'm not happy with how I traded. It's just this PA. Like I want to like double check so much, and you cannot. Uh, you cannot. You cannot. What's the word I'm looking for? You once the confirmation is there, I have to enter and be accepting of the thing. But this PA is just so I don't know what it is, but I keep trading through it though because I want to get good at this. But this is the PA that usually like does me filthy. But I am trying to be way more patient and I am being aggressive with my stops. If I get a lot of break evens because of that, that is fine by me. If I get late entries, when I get late entries, excuse me, that is my thing to be aggressive with my stop because I'm entering late. Now, some people say, "Oh, well, just don't take the trade." I would just, but with a tight range like this, it's opportunities, but the opportunities to me, I feel are less, especially because I'm trading from a 618. If I was trading from even a lower time frame, and even on this time frame, I mean, look, let's just look at a candle, 11:02:2. The next candle was just like 30 seconds, so it's like they vary, but on under a minute, most of them. Look at this. Most of them are under a minute. So it's like I gotta be snappy my decisions. I am basing it off 4K. Like right here is where I really. As soon as this like that, that's confirmation. High or low. Enter. Stop below here. Then you just ride this up to here. That's a banger of a trade. Instead, though, because of how even if I purpose even if I enter here, I did enter here, but I went to break even too soon. So I just stay here and I could at least take the 10, then the pullback, and then I get in again. You know what I mean? So it's like stuff like that I gotta work on. But like here was a good trade. Here was a solid trade. I think I got out of this one early just because I wasn't trying to be one tick warrior again because it was a trade somewhere over here. But like and then you can see like this, I kind of got caught up in the chop a little. I got caught up in this chop a little bit, and this was yeah around the open. I just kept getting caught going break even too soon. And like the PA, so in this instance, I probably should have stayed out rather than even getting in. Even this was a bad trade because I'm at the top of the range and we're clearly ranging here, like. And then even this, then I once we actually flipped, I think I got short here. I got stopped out. I really should have my stop up here. That's what happens with a late entry sometimes. This happens. because I want to just have a hard stop, and sometimes you can't. You really should put it above here. But I didn't even trust the trade, because if I trusted the trade, I would have had my stop put above here, and I would have held it to at least down here, or at least just 10. At least take the 10. Like, every trade don't have to be 1-to-1. Sometimes it could be a little bit under 1-to-1. You know what I mean? So that, then it gave me another opportunity here. I missed this one because I was being real specific. I wanted to get up in here rather than this is close enough. It's a couple points. Like, stop would have been above here still. Even still with that, stop still would have been above here. Good validation, bang. This is a good trade because it is confirmation. Come down, test. Broke above here. Broke up. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Confirmation, bang. Good trade. Then this. I mean, I guess I could have took it here, but I didn't like. I would have liked it maybe to come down a little bit further. Let me see, actually, though. Yeah, I would have liked it to come down a little bit further, but if it came down further, it might have thing. But this was very support, a very high support right here. So there's that. Then we came to top, kind of confirmed again. Could have if I wanted to long there, but that's hindsight. Came back into here though. This actually was pretty good trade. Here was, I got in late, but this was the one tick warrior trade I took. I got out like 3 points shorter. This one, I think I got stopped out on. Yeah, this was the, yeah, I got stopped on. I just did that. That was the chase. I shouldn't have chased. That was a chase trade. And rather than being patient, waiting for the actual pullback here and then going. Looks like now we're probably gonna go and tap again, but I'm mentally tapped out. A lot of ping ponging. I don't want to do any more ping ponging, so I'm gonna take my money and run. Today wasn't the greatest day trading, but if this is a bad day, I'll take it. I'm not gonna lie. And now we're gonna start moving. Yeah, I swear, this is where sometimes it just pays to be patient. But this is my time window, and now my schedule has changed, so I can't sit here like I could later in the day and just be like, all right, I'll come back at lunch. Like, I'm done for the day. So that being said, anyone is still trading, trade safe. I do think the market is going to pick up around lunch and stuff because you got the 30-year bonds coming out at 1:01 Eastern Standard Time. So I do believe the market's probably going to start picking up now. And yeah, everyone that's still going to trade the afternoon session, trade safe. And as always, let's end the day with 3D Vision. And let's start the day with 3D Vision. Y'all have a good one. What's today, Thursday? I should be good for tomorrow. Should be on tomorrow. You have a good one, and I'll see you.